What's going on, everyone? Welcome back again to another video. In this one we talk about how to see camera on the Apple Watch. So obviously, to get the most basic thing out of the way, the Apple Watch is not equipped with a physical camera, so you cannot really just use it as a camera, right? There is just no hardware one implemented. What you can do is to use or control the iPhone camera from your wrist. So when you get to all apps view, you can scroll through and find the camera button. But you can see that the icon looks a little bit different, right? Because it's pretty much the same thing, but only with this like arrow pointing towards the camera. So it kind of looks like this. You can see that there is this little, like an arrow or something. It is to indicate that you can only use the shutter on the Apple Watch. It's not an actual camera, right? So when you open it up like this, it is going to open up the one on your phone automatically, and you have some things in here, right? Like you can check out or set up the timer, or flip to the front camera, or turn on the flash and live photos. And there are some other things in here, so you can start the timer directly from the watch, and then you can also just check out the photo that you have taken. However, for whatever reason, you don't have the ability to see the live preview of the photo. Even though it used to be available in the past, it is no longer the case, but you used to be able to just see the viewfinder directly from the watch, right? So it kind of depends on the operating system you are on. In the past, it used to be available, which is no longer the case right now. So that's it. That's how it currently works. Let me know down below in the comments if you use it, or if you think it's better with the viewfinder or without it. So that's it. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, subscribe for more content in the future, and I'm gonna see you in the next tutorial.